Hello and welcome guys to the all new episode of the IO show. So I'm your instructor. My name is Ashish and I will be instructing you in the later on Python series. So in the previous tutorial you have learned about some basics in the Python and something about the Python interpreter. So in this chapter we will go deeper into the Python. So today we will learn about the conditional statement, which is if or else. Sometimes you use only, and sometimes you have three or four conditions, then you use the if, elif and the else. So let's start with this tutorial. So I will show you how you can do that. Okay guys, so let's make a new file. So this is my new file. So I will save this into two, or let's say I can tutorial 2. So I have saved this. And suppose you have something integer value and you want to check if the integer value is positive or integer value is negative. So you can check it with the else and check it with the if and or else. Then you can execute some code after the condition. So I will show you. Suppose we have variable x whose value is 4 and a variable is y whose value is -1. Okay, so we have one positive integer and one negative integer. So we will check with the condition what is the positive integer and what is the negative integer. For that we will first use the if statement, which takes condition. So we will add here condition is if x equals not equals is greater than 0, means it's a positive value. So we will do the column here. Then we will print something. So for that we print this is a positive number. Okay. So I have printed it out. So this is your the first basic condition. So let's save it, and I have already opened my terminal. So I will just run that. So I will use the Python tutorial 2.5. Okay. So it has returned that you can see. It has returned this is a positive number, means we have passed 4, which is a positive integer. So our condition was true, and now we will add one more condition. So suppose we will add else here. If the condition is not satisfied, then it will the code will execute on the else part. So for that, print this is this is not this is not integer. So we have added the second condition here. If this condition is not true, then this will execute. Okay, so this is the something like a plan. Means if this condition goes false, then it will execute the else part. So suppose we have the positive integer here is 4, then this will execute. Suppose we have changed this into something like this 5, and see what happens. Okay, so see, we have saved this and we will again go to the terminal and then okay, we run same program again. So as you can see here, this is not a positive integer. As you can see, I have passed here -5, so it's a negative integer. So suppose the next thing, we have this code here. We want to pass some values in this code. So what you will do, you will take input from the user. So let's make a variable x here. X is equal to input. Enter, enter, enter. Okay. So I have already shown this way to you in the last tutorial. So with this line, you will take input as a string. So suppose we want to run this, we will get an error, I think. So let's run this and we will enter number 10. Okay. So as you can see, we have got the error, the unorderable type is turned to int. So when you getting the user's input, you are passing the string here. User will enter the string. So for that, you will use the int here. Okay. I think this will give us another error. Okay. So I'm just testing this. Okay. Invalid. So we have to input by how to do something like this. If you want to take the integer input, okay, so let's try this again. Okay, so let's see, and we will check now. So I think this will work. Okay. So what we are doing here, we are changing the string value into the int value. So okay, okay, so that worked. So as you can see, sorry. So as you can see, I have entered the number 12, which is a positive integer. So it has entered it's a positive integer. Let's try with the negative integer. So I will add the minus 10. Okay, so you can see here this is not a positive integer. Okay, so till here you have learned how to take user input from the user and the input take integer inputs from the user and how to do the if and else statement. So next thing we will do is we will add one more condition here. So suppose we have a scenario where we want to find which values are greater than 5 and which values are lower than 5. And the third condition is which values are equal to 5. So we have three conditions here. So we will add three conditions in this particular code. Currently we have space for only two, so we will add one more. So suppose we are already taking the input from the user and then we will change this condition into So we want to check the value is greater than 5 or less than 5 or equal to 5. So first we will check if the value is equal to 5 equals. Okay. Then in the second condition we will add if x is greater than 5. Okay. Then we will print the greater here. Okay. And if these two conditions are false, then this else will be executed. So in this thing, we will yes sir. Okay, so if x is not equal to 5 and x is not greater than 5, then x will be lesser than 5. So we have added the else here, so the third condition. You can also do the x is less than 5, it will also work, but else keeping an else is a good thing. Okay, so let's try to run this. Okay. So we will enter a number like 6. So as you can see, it returned the data means this condition is true here. Now we will try this again and we will enter a number. Suppose we have entered the 4. And you can see the 4 is lesser than 5 and we will try this third time. We will enter the 5. So as you can see, the 5 is equal to 5. Remove that. And now we will try with the negative integer. So minus 12. So as you can see, minus 12 is also the lesser with 5. So suppose the next thing we will be learning in this is applying conditional statement on strings. So the steps are the same here. So we will change the input type here. We have changed it into the string and we will use only one condition here. Okay, so let's take two. All the other things will be same for the string or int. So suppose I have the x variable here. Suppose if a user enters here hello, so your program will say hey there. If user enters something other than hello, then your program will say bye. So let's try it. Okay. So here we are. And okay, so I have not changed this thing. So you can enter a phrase or something you can do. So I will first say hi. So my program returned bye. So let's try with the hello. So as you can see, my this condition is executed and true. So that's it for this tutorial. You can add as many as conditions here if you want. I have only shown you the 3 conditions and you can add as many as conditions you want. So just play with this thing and keep practicing so you will know what is going in the background. So that's it for this tutorial guys. If you have missed out of the previous tutorial, you can find it from the link above. And thank you guys for this tutorial. So, okay.